Like on YouTube. Then what do you like on YouTube? Can you hear me? Rafael Mofo, can you get me clearly? Are you guys getting me? Can you hear me so that let me know if you can get me clearly? Okay, let's show you this thing. And, all right, somebody said I should analyze gold. So let's look at gold. I'm actually on a buy on Euro USD already. So uh, you can see gold spike down early this morning when Trump. Okay, so we had this CRT. All right, this was a weekly CRT on gold. Price took the high, that was a total soap, and then we closed within, and then we have this fair value gap. So, well, right now I will not just expect higher prices yet, but there's a possibility we are going to continue higher. Okay, let's look at how the daily looks like. So, daily time frame, this was the low of the weekly CRT, and there's a possibility we can dip from here and then go back higher to take out this previous high. Okay, so it's very possible that we're going to be taking out this previous high. So let's look at 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame took out all this liquidity that we had here, all this sell side liquidity, and taking this low as well. So we have sell side liquidity here, and there's just a possibility clearing that liquidity to continue higher. Okay, something like that. So let's see 15 minutes. All right, so 15 on the sell that we had. I mean, a buy, this is a buy opportunity right here. The moment we had a close above that high, this is a model 1 entry. That's a model 1 entry that was presented. So we're having a buy on gold at that point, and we'll stop down here, and then we can target this high here, this high right here. So I just delete this you have price to come right up to this point. So this is basically what I'm expecting on gold. Let me delete this. Okay, so we can have something like this on gold, and then something like that. We are on a buy as well on Euro USD, targeting the 4-hour fair value gap. So we have a 10 o'clock candle. That's basically on the 1-hour time frame. So 1 hour 2 has confirmed this other block entry here for Euro USD. So from this point, we can expect higher prices here. Maybe we'll get a retest of this other block, and then continue higher before that continuation to the upside. Then on the 15 minute, we had a confirmation right from this point. So I'm on the one entry. So we're buying right from this point. So 50% has been hit already. And that's Euro USD. All right, that's Euro USD. We are actually on a buy on Euro USD. We can't see our screen, sir. Gold and UJ. But as they said, he can't see my screen. Is that so? Our screen is not shared. I'm actually sharing my screen. Blakey Remora, are you seeing my screen? Is there anyone that is we cannot see your screen? It is possible to share your screen, sir. All right, let me just stop sharing and then I share it back. Okay. All right. Can you see my screen now? Can you see the screen now? Okay. Fundem Salvador say he has already taken 50% on GBP USD on a buy. The buy was good. So let's see. We can see clearly. Okay, perfect. Who is selling Euro USD? Somebody said I should. Yeah, we've analyzed gold already, right? But you guys said you were not seeing. So let me look at. Okay, so this is gold. All right, this is gold. We took out. We are on the weekly fair value gap, so price has given us buy confirmation, so we can buy gold to this high. All right, remember we are now trading on gold, so we can be on a buy on gold to this high right here. USD UG, like we talked about this USD GPY inversion gap, prices moving higher, things like. Okay, so we had a gap here on USD JPY. USD JPY is this hidden fair value gap, and we have filled this fair value gap, so we can expect higher prices into this drawn liquidity here. So USD GPY, we are pushing higher. Probably we might have a correction back to somewhere here before we continue that move to the upside. That's USD JPY. From here, probably we can then continue back higher. Um, I'll buy now on gold. So gold. I'm taking a buy on gold. Though it's possible that price might take this out this low, probably to fill this fair value gap, but our stops are right down here. Okay, this is our stop loss. That was our SL on gold. Let's try to target this buy side liquidity right up to this high. So this looked like what? An AMD, right? That's an accumulation. Accumulation, manipulation, then probably a distribution. So the dollar index went into a weekly fair value gap right here. So that's even one of the reasons why we are trying to buy Euro USD. So we had a spike this morning into this fair value gap on the dollar index. So at least we're going to have a correction. Probably I'm expecting it to even come right down to this fair value gap. And maybe more, right? But also same. This candle, this 4-hour candle can be a CRT. That means we can expect price to come right down to the low of this candle. So whatever the case might be, we're going to be targeting the 50% of this single candle here. So that's going to be our take profit one. All right. That's going to be our take profit one on that. And this is the entry that we had here when price took out the CRT high, tapping into that key level, and then we had this 5 minutes, 15-minute confirmation entry. That's the model one entry, and then we had a fair value gap here. So this low can be a low for your partials, which is the 4-hour fair value gap, right? So we can take partials at that point. So we can have partials at that level, and then so we are buying gold, we are buying Euro USD. Let's see GBUSD. I don't know. Oh, GBUSD is forming really hard. This also, let's check that closely. Somebody said he took partials already on this guy. So we actually did not take out this lower on the 4-hour time frame. So this guy, this guy, this guy. Let's say it's still respecting this area, this other block here. Would have loved to see this low taken out, though price did not take it out. This might mean there might still be some sell, but let's just see how it goes, right? The 4-hour time frame, we can have a buyback up to this fair value gap, and maybe from there we can get maybe a continuation sell. But regardless, that should be a target if you're buying. If you are buying GBUSD now, for me to have been on the trade on this USD GPY, I would have been the moment price closed above this candle, I would have been on a buy trade at that level. And then I'll target this fair value gap, right? Now Euro USD, same entry. So let's see if price comes up to this fair value gap here. Frankie said he's buying gold. Same here, I'm also buying gold. Buying Euro USD, buying Euro USD. What was your entry on Euro USD? Euro USD at exactly 1.07200, or from the fair value gap that was formed around 7279. So Trump win elections. Last night, Bitcoin flied right up to the air. So somebody asked me about fundamentals the last time. I said that price action is always up for fundamentals, right? Because when you look at what happened on Bitcoin, before that could happen, everything was clear, right? You could see that price action was just so clean, showing that there's going to be a pump. So it's like when there's supposed to be fundamentals, the market is aware that there's going to be some fundamentals, and what happens is that it sets up the stage to accept those fundamentals. You get it. It's going to pave price to be able to uh, Ashanti. How are you? How many of you did not want Trump to win? Well, a lot of people wanted Kamala Harris to win. So now that Trump has won, I believe that Bitcoin. GU was buying, but I am currently seeing not 1 hour, 4 hour supply zone. Yeah, GU is currently on a buy, right? GU is currently on a buy position now. But like I mentioned, the buy is not very. I'm not so much. I'm not so much 100% with the buy. Why? Because we